Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use reverse wireless charging on your VIVO X300. So basically reverse wireless charging is a feature to charge other phones with your own phone. And to turn it on, you'll simply need to open up your settings, scroll down here to battery, down here to battery health and charging, and here you can see reverse wireless charging. Wirelessly charge other devices, turn off automatically if unused for a while. So if you want to charge someone's phone with your own phone, don't forget to turn on the reverse wireless charging. So basically that's it. What you'll need to know more is you'll need to turn on the wireless charging on the phone you want to charge, so make sure to do that. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.